So once you've integrated your Google Business Profile, you will then be able to go to the Reputations tab. And on this Reputations tab, you will see AI summaries of all of your recent review requests. Now, in this case, if I scroll down, it mentions the average ratings, the total reviews, and then a graph of how many reviews are coming in each month. These are additional reviews that are coming in. And as you scroll down, you'll see also how many reviews have been responded to by the GoHighLevel AI, how many are unresponded, and the average response time across your manual responses and the AI before one of your reviews gets a reply. And you can do things like sending review requests to customers, requesting video testimonials, QR codes, and all types of things can be built into this. So it's super neat. Now, just a little note here. By default, once you connect your Google Business Profile, it's going to automatically start writing responses to your review. So if you don't want that, you'll have to come to the settings here at the top. And you see by default, it's set to auto response after 1 hour. You can turn that off if you want to stop receiving those automated responses. You can also come here and you'll find a review link. This is the same link that you can find on your Google Business Profile, but it is nice to see here that for each of your businesses that you've connected, you can just quickly get a link that you can save. You can also add in custom links if you want to send them somewhere else, like Trustpilot or Yelp, etc. You can do the same thing through SMS if you want to create some type of template, and it can automatically request reviews from your past customers. You can do the same thing through email as well, or from WhatsApp. Likewise, if you want to create a QR code, you can do this. It's kind of neat instead of doing it yourself through other websites. And there's also spam reviews as well, where you can just determine if it's a spam review instead of responding to it or wasting time. Otherwise, you can integrate other accounts. Here you can see there's Yelp. I believe that's the Yelp logo. And then if there's anything else like Angie's, Better Business Bureau, etc., you can add essentially anything that's available here, and it'll keep track of all of your reviews and display them in the same reviews AI section. And there's just a handful of other things here. They've got like a Google Business Profile optimization section. I think it's a decent checklist just to make sure you have like the basics in place, although you can't really take it as Bible. It's just kind of recommendations, and I would rather just edit things manually and just do like regular SEO instead of trying to edit things through their API. But otherwise, there is nothing wrong with this, and this is how you go through the reputation page.